Hi Libras, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to do your mid-October reading and we will see what are the guidance messages for you in the middle of the month. So for those who are new to my channel and haven't subscribed my channel yet, please consider subscribing and hit the bell notification icon as well so that you will be able to get updated about my latest videos, okay? And this is a general reading. It might or might not resonate with all of you. So let's see what is there for my Librans in the middle of October, please. Okay, there's some kind of an ending I'm seeing over here with the tower. You know, that an abrupt ending. Let's see, we'll clarify what it is. Sometimes the foundations laid are really, not that strong. That is why things end really fast. Okay, what is there for my Librans? October 2020, mid-October. Libras. Okay, one more shuffle. At the back of the deck we have 8 of Wands and the 9 of Swords. Okay, so a communication, but still, this is something, somebody really wants to communicate, but someone, your person I'm seeing might be cutting you off or might be waiting for that communication to happen. Let's see what it is. Okay, Libras. So you are at, your energies are here. Queen of Swords, Two of Swords, it's your energies, Libras. So it is like, you are still thinking. All you want is, your mind just revolves around the truth. Okay, your mind revolves around something which is like, if something is not clear, you want that thing to be clear. So that is what it is happening. I'm seeing that, there you want a communication. Yes, you want a communication. The likings, the love is there in the relationship. You want this communication to happen, but still, there is some kind of a thing which I'm seeing that, this is really, this is that feeling where you are not able to communicate, even though you want to communicate. Yeah. Your person, they are really thinking about you. The idea is you. The idea over here is they love the idea of love, but still they are not ready for that commitment. So you know what I mean. So that is what their heart is right now. They want to be with you, they want to talk to you, but they couldn't. Okay, so they are still thinking, they are really, they love it, but they are thinking, they are perceiving the situation, they are analyzing the situation, they're trying to, it's better to not enter in this communication. That is what they are thinking. The feelings are really strong. Librans over here might be dealing with a Scorpio. Feelings are really strong, but what to do? Okay, that is what they are feeling over here. This might be some other issue. I'm really getting their energies with the 9 of Swords. There's some kind of a past issue over here, Librans. Your person over here is not ready for the commitment. No matter you want, see, you are ready, you want this thing to happen. That is what I'm seeing in your side. 6 of Cups, you want that balance of love. You want to give love, you want everything to be clear. Okay, you are not afraid, you are not running away. No, I'm not seeing. It's just like, I have cleared everything to you, but then why not, you are talking to me, why not you are really expressing the way I am expressing my love to you. That is what you are asking. You are confused. You have told everything, you have communicated your love towards them, but still, nothing is coming from them. That is why you're afraid because of this. Like, what is happening? It's been a long relationship, long term relationship. You have been together with each other from such a long time, but still nothing, no communication. Why? So you are asking them, you are asking the universe for this answer. Like, why is it happening? Why they are not communicating with you? Okay, so in the near future we have Five of Wands and the Empress. Things are really turning upside down over here, Librans. Okay, so just the advice for you over here is, okay, so the advice over here is Five of Cups with the King of Pentacles. So it's like, never regret it. Okay, if you are thinking that at some point, at some place, like, how do I explain, sometimes you do not explain the perfect in a perfect way. When the universe is asking you to talk to your person the way it should be understood, understandable. So that is what the universe is trying to tell you, that with the King of Pentacles, I'm seeing that a lot of work needs to be done from your end, maturely, mentally, physically, emotionally. Okay, so you have to grow, and that is what the universe is asking, because the person also is asking the growth, because they are in that growing period. They are growing within themselves. They are really, they want that maturity which they have. They want it from you as well. They don't want conflicts. So that is why, this might be a friend zoned kind of a relationship over here. That is why they do not want to, enter that into that conflict zone. They want you to be friends, you both to be friends. So that is why they are not getting involved in the relationship. This might be a thing over here which I'm seeing, Librans. So regrets, there should be no regrets. All you have to do, just give yourself time. Okay, just be with yourself, just give yourself time, grow within yourself. Make sure your business grows, your work grows. If you're doing a job, just give your 100% towards your things, and the universe will actually start turning the tables in your side. Okay, so you don't have to be afraid of anything. Everything is pre-planned by the universe. Okay, yeah, Ten of Pentacles we have over here. So yes, there is a connection between you both. Okay, so I'm seeing a family over here, Librans. So all you have to do is just trust the process. It is going to work in your favor. Four of Pentacles. I know that you are holding on. This is you who is holding on to that person. You are not letting go of this person, and because this person is someone which you have always asked the universe for, you have always wished for, and that is why you are not letting go of this person. No matter how much far you go, no matter how much you have said or they have said you bad stuff or something, no matter how many endings you both have had, no matter you have parted ways so many times, no matter, but still you are not letting this person go away from you. Yes, there's a lot of connection. We have Queen of Cups and the King of Cups, both are the same reading. Wow, what a beautiful couple. This is a very emotional, lovable couple. The love with this couple is just outstanding. Okay, so really, really beautiful reading for you, Librans. If you're waiting, if you're not letting go of this person, it's beautiful. Okay, so that is all from my side. I hope it helps, and we will meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.